Beth, what, no. So, okay. Back to the bird.
Why are we on birds?
The parakeet, like, you can clip its wings so it's not flying, like, a long way. And that's what I do to you. Like, you can fly around the house. I'd bring you out next to the pool. And you would be like, I want to go swimming, but I'm stuck right here in this cage. I want to go swimming right now, Mary. Is it May yet? Is it May? Can we, like... Let's just... I mean, I think it's warm enough. We'll
Hi, Brutus. Do you think it's May yet? No.
I know what we'll just go and we'll open up the pool and we'll just go swimming.
Okay.
We can set the water to like 70 degrees.
Yes. That's what like hot tubs are for.
Oh no, like